Okay, we got 10:19 left in the second quarter. 10:19. South Philly with the ball. Punting. Okay, first and 10. First and 10, John Bartram's ball. Quarterback keeps and loss on the play. Okay, we got a 2nd and 13. 2nd and 13. Glee play on the last carry. Picked up about 4 yards. 3rd down. Pass is complete for a 1st down. Gary Johnson on the reception. Pass from Cortez. The last pass was from Ernest. Sorry about that. Oh, second fumble by Mackay. Second fumble. South Philly's recovered. Okay, 1st down, South Philly after the fumble recovery. Boom. And stopped him for no gain. 2nd down coming up. Okay, holding against Southern makes it a 1st and 19. Stopped on the play. Okay, 7:54 left in the quarter. It's in the half, 7:54. 2nd down. He's driving hard. He runs over 2, breaks 2-3 tackles for a 1st down. He drags the crowd down for a 1st down. Well, not a 1st down, I'm sorry. For a big gain. We got a 3rd and 6. Second. He did another fantastic catch by Gary Johnson. Fantastic catch. Okay, Bartram with the 1st down on the 36-yard line. He got a beautiful pass completion from Ernest to Gary Johnson. He stopped for a loss on the play. 2nd down coming up. Quarterback is Ernest Malba. He's doing another fine job from that last pass completion. He stopped for another loss on the play. Okay, 3rd down. 3rd and long. They're in about 20. Pass back, he throws. Incomplete. 4th down coming up. Punt is blocked. Block punt. Okay, South Philly 1st down after the block punt. It's the ball on the 45-yard line. Fumble. Fumble on the play, and John Bartram recovers. .320 left in the half. John Bartram with the 1st down after the fumble recovery. it complete? Yes, it is. Complete for a first down. Okay, 2:58 and running in the half. 2:58. Draw. Okay, second down. Second and about 4. It was on him. He didn't have time enough to throw. 4th and 9. 4th and 9. Last play was the 3rd down. 4th down coming up. Bartram punting. First down. Steps out wide. Slips a couple tackles for the first down. Okay, we got 1:03 left in the half. 1:03 left in the half. Gives it back to the big back. Number 30, he's down. Clock is running. Okay, we got 30 seconds of counting in the half. Okay, this will be the last play of the first half. Okay, that's the end of the first half. The score, Southern 8 and Bartram 0.